I'm Olivia, a student building supervisor for University Recreation and a member of the GB Swim and Dive team. On behalf of UREC, I would like to welcome back UWGB students, faculty, and staff back to the Kress Event Center. Things may look different around here, but we want you to feel safe and comfortable while using our facility. Once you enter the building, please proceed down to the cash register to show the front desk your student ID and swipe yourself in. Currently, in Phase 1, the Fitness Center and UREC Outdoors Equipment Rental are available. The Fitness Center requires a reservation through the UREC at UWGB app to ensure that maximum group size and social distancing are maintained. For complete details on how to make the reservation, visit the UREC website or social media pages. For safety, we've added plexiglass and floor markings along with other new precautions throughout the building. Also, the Fitness Center has been arranged to ensure social distancing with additional wipe stations installed so students and staff can wipe down their equipment easily before and after each use. At this time, locker rooms, gyms, and the pool are closed. In addition, drinking fountains and towel services have been suspended. However, our water bottle filling station is still available, so please bring your water bottles. Water and limited items are available for purchase by credit card, dining points, and pass points at the front desk. UREC Outdoors is open for equipment rentals, including kayaks, tents, and more. For complete information, please check out the Equipment Rental Center page on the UREC website or the UREC Outdoors social media pages. While in the building, you must wear a mask at all times. We also ask that you don't enter the building if you are experiencing any symptoms of COVID-19, have had a positive COVID-19 test in the past 14 days, or have had close contact with someone who is tested positive. Hours of operation are limited, and we are using a phased approach to ensure the safety of everyone in the building. This remains our #1 priority. As we enter the fall semester, Phase 2 and 3 will provide additional access to facilities, programs, and services. Please visit the UREC website often or follow us on social media for updates. Moving forward, we will continue to follow the guidance from campus, community leadership, our staff, and the members we serve. We thank you for your patience and understanding. We cannot wait to see you and welcome you back to the Kress Event Center.